meeting.
Billionaire Elon Musk regrets. Like his anger and disapprovements, his regret is also expressed on social media. After raining sarcasm and allegations, Elon Musk on Tuesday posted on X his regret for his public feud with the US President Donald Trump. He said, and I quote, "I regret some of my posts about President Donald Trump last week. They went too far," unquote. The Tesla CEO and the POTUS engaged in a public fight over TV interviews and X post after Elon Musk left his role in the government and criticized the Republican Party's new tax bill proposal. The bill was dubbed as Big Beautiful by the president, as Elon Musk kept tweeting his criticism and sarcasm and even threatened with the launch of a new political party. Donald Trump also rolled up his sleeve and threatened to pull the plug.
Would you consider reopening investigations into his companies? There are a bunch of investigations.
I didn't know that they had any. They had them. I would just let them speak for themselves. I had no idea. Excuse me. I have no idea whether or not they had investigations.
What's your view on Elon Musk as of today? I mean, have you heard from him at all?
Honestly, I've been so busy working on China, working on Russia, working on Iran, working on so many that I'm not thinking about Elon.
The most ominous post by the world's richest man alleged that Donald Trump is on the infamous Jeffrey Epstein files and implied that this is why the government is not releasing the documents to the public. That was on 7th of June. He deleted it later. And then on 10th of June, Donald Trump indicated that he expects a call from his former trusted aide and friend.
I haven't really thought about it, actually. I would imagine he wants to speak to me. I would think that. If I were him, I'd want to speak to me, and maybe he was already called. You'd have to ask him whether or not he's already called. But I'd have no problem with it.
In an interview for a podcast, Donald Trump even indicated that he was willing to forgive Elon Musk. Hours later, Musk posted his regretting post on X. What forced Elon Musk to blink in his business interest? Right after 7th of June public duel, $152 billion was erased. In the first half of 2025, Musk has lost $380 billion of market capital. His global market value ranking degraded from 8th to 10th position. Tesla stocks plunged by 14% in a single day. Overall, Tesla stocks dropped by 29.3%, which translates to a whopping $917 billion. And Elon Musk's net worth is down by $9 billion. But can this situation shift between the two most rich and powerful people turn the clock back to heydays of bromance once again? Or is this a temporary truce between partners with benefits?
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.